All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something pretty cool. You can check it out on fablades.com, see what is up right there, because there's some pretty cool stuff going on, especially this guy right over here. You can get it right now, right there, because this is from Naichi. It is the grenade, like our Demoman. This is just like a box, but here you have probably the coolest grenade done so far. I would call this the grenade version 3. There was the version 1, there was the version 2 from Commander, and then now there's the version 3 from Naichi. And I just got the version 1 here with me, and you see it's pretty much in the same kind of size. Definitely, it is not in the same ballpark for size and weight of the punk, but nonetheless, you have some of the finest fidget toy right here available on the market. This is a desktop toy spinner right over here. Very, very quiet. Ratchet right over here. And also you can hold here and just have it ratchet, like kind of like safe kind of thing right over here. So slides, ratchet, ratchet, and ratchet, depending on how you hold it. And on this side, you even have this implementation, which I really like because it gives like an extra level. This one just pulls out an extra level of playfulness, right? It's really cool. This is the zirconium version. It's really heavy. I'm telling you, this is not gonna go in the pocket. This thing weighs in at 8.9 ounces, which is stunning. And it has, let me check the caliper, like a diameter of 32 millimeters. And let's see, an overall length of 60 millimeters. And let's say with the like an overall width of 38 millimeters. So it's a very pocketable, but not a 9 ounces. Like size-wise, for sure, not really. For the weight, designed by Ammo in 2024. Titanium, zirconium, I believe this is brass. The sound exudes precision. Oh, so good. Really, really cool sound, great feel, and looks amazing. I mean, let's be real, guys. This is one of the best looking fidget toys of the last year. I would say the punk, this guy, these are like the hits, right? I mean, there are some classics I want to show you right next to this one that are like, you know, evergreen. Camera M. Mini Dealer. These are like evergreen, guys. Look at this one. This is Muyi, one of the best spinner ever made. And another classic that I really, really love, and you guys probably know, is this one. It's another classic spinner. If we call this, you know, out of the equation because it's not a spinner, I would add this guy as a spinner right over here. So probably my 4 favorite spinners, I would add like this fella also right over here. Spin, 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 spin. And you know, because we are talking about spinners, how can I not include in this little picture right over here, this guy, and look at this. A little bit of movement here. What is up? Oh, it's just touching the... Huh? I mean. Anyways, these are like grails, spinner grails. Probably my favorite part of the collection are these bad boys right over here. And I just thought to share this moment with you because you don't get to see a lot of these nowadays, especially. And you get to see these because these are like available now. There are 799 of these made, so you get your chance to get this. It's not like you know, crazy like 99 made. So yeah, you could do it, right? It's expensive. It's very expensive. It's gorgeous. It's very gorgeous. It's the best grenade ever made. As a fidget toy, by the way. It's truly, truly well made. Look at the machining going on, the polishing, the knurling. Also, by the way, I almost forgot, this guy comes, look at these tags over here. Demoman, of course, you have the date, Nayici, and you get the zirconium. And stainless steel, I said this titanium, sorry, my bad, this is stainless steel. You get a dog tag with this rubber and a chain, and you get two of them. All right, so you can share one, and you can keep one, like in the real tradition. And also you get a kit, a repair kit, which has everything in compartments, like springs inside a mini Ziploc bag. Extra springs, you get ceramic ball bearings, and you get another bigger spring and another bigger ball bearing set. Right over here, you have screws, nicely sealed. And right over here, you get to see the stud, which is going to go right over here. I believe you can remove this and attach it. I'm not actually sure. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'm pretty sure you can attach this to some other. And here you have also that piece, which interesting. I don't know what is that about, but I know that this is a pretty cool fidget toy. Nice and shiny. Awesome noise. It feels just great, like ooh, 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 ooh. But this is the cherry on top of the cake, because this was never a thing. It was just like opening and just like flipping and flapping, nothing serious. Now this is serious. We are in business for sure. Look at the indentation right over here. You get a lanyard option. You can screw something here for sure. I'm checking that lack of tricks options. You cannot do any tricks over here, but for sure you can enjoy this thing on your desk. Like you could do actually something like, oops, not like that, but no, not like really like that. You can definitely do this, and in your hand you can just enjoy from that side, or just like this side. And it's not obtrusive, annoyingly loud. It's really quiet and subdued, so nobody's gonna be annoyed when you play with this beauty. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.